Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to redirect pages, HTML pages, one to another, right? So let's get right into it. In here in the index we are going to put a question mark, not question but exclamation mark, enter. In here we are going to put the title, redirecting, 3 dots. In here we are going to put a heading, a bigger one. And we put 5 seconds only, because we are going to wait 5 seconds till we redirect it to another page. Then we are going to put something like, we are going to put a style, saying that will be centered in the middle, text align center, and we want an ID. You can do it with classes or simply by the h1, but for me the ID is easier. So we are going to put the ID timer, and down here we are going to put a script called script.javascript. Then we are going to create another file called download.html, and this download will be a normal HTML, right? And it will have an h1 as well, with the text download now. It will be style text align center. It will have a blue background. A blue one and the color of yellow. Okay. Now let me check. No, yes. Let's check the both pages. The index 1. Here we go. Next one is like this, and the download one, it's like this. Okay. Now, in the index, we want, not in the index, we are going to create a script file, .javascript, and in here, you want to create a script that will create a timer. It will not be needed, it's just to see the timer going. Most of the sites that have redirecting stuff has JavaScript. I just copy and paste it from my notepad. The let time equals 5. It's a variable of the type let that has 5, right? Whoa, wait. The countdown is messing, I don't know why. The constant we will create a countdown EL that will be equal to the document.getElementsById timer. What does that mean? The timer. Here, everything that's a timer will be changed by the countdown EL, right? The set interval, it's something that we use to change every interval. Update countdown, it's the function that we will have, so the update countdown will be utilized, will be refreshed every 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. In the function update countdown, it will be updated every 1000 milliseconds. The countdown.el in HTML will be equals to the time. What does that mean? If you put these ones, it's like these ones, but in the opposite. Dollar sign, the brackets, these ones, no, not these ones here, and the time, the let, the 5, because if you want to do with minutes and seconds, it would be a lot harder, but we only want the 5 seconds, so let's do that way. Semicolon, and down, we put time, less, minus, whatever you want, and the semicolon. Every second it will update, it will be shown, and it will reduce the number. The number will go +1, because it's minus. And in here, in the HTML again, we are going to copy this meta http equivalent. We could be using JavaScript, but I'm not really too much into it. I'd rather use the HTML. So in here, instead of this XUI compatible, we are going to put something like refresh. It will refresh. In the content, IE edge, you just put something like 5 seconds. Time, the seconds it will take to refresh. And you also want to have a URL. You want to change the site. You want to go to the download, right? So you put URL equals download.html and you save it. Now, if we open it with the live server, the timer, it's moving. Here we go, download button. Very simple, right? It's very ugly, but works. The timer is working. Now you've learned how to create a timer, right? A very easy timer, just with seconds, of course. A page redirecting. The most important thing is this one, because even without this timer, I will also remove it. I will even remove it. Wait for 5 seconds. Right? If I just remove it, it will wait anyways for the 5 seconds. It will not be shown, right? So wait for 5 seconds. You can even remove the timer. We wait for 5 seconds and it will move to the download page. The important here is this meta http equivalent refresh in the content, saying the timer and the URL that it's going to. Hope you guys enjoyed, understood. Any doubts you can put in the comments. More videos about JavaScript, I have one about buttons. I have a lot of videos about HTML and CSS. I've started my PHP recently. So if you guys enjoyed, check it please, and see you soon.